Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody out of the kitchen. Everybody out. Go watch cartoons. You want me to have those for you? Come on. Here you are, Moana.
It's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until
All right, good morning, everyone. It is almost 9 a.m. here. I had some pancakes. Just waiting on Melanie to finish. She's eating some pancakes and some like grapefruit or something like that. I don't know, I get her these fruit cups. But while she's eating, I need to make a grocery list. Because I need to go grocery shopping today for food this weekend. To make a couple things because we are, actually this might be easier if I look up the stuff on my computer instead of my phone. It is the first weekend of college football for us. So that is exciting. Since being in Germany, you know, it's like the first game for the Georgia Bulldogs is Saturday night, but for us it's like 1:30 in the morning on Sunday. So, I think Blake's gonna have a friend over, or we're gonna have someone come watch the dog because they're doing something on Saturday. So they're gonna have a dog sitter, and then we are gonna make just like some chicken buffalo dip with the Frank's Red Hot, and then I think also some French dip sandwiches, which sound delicious. So I'm just gonna get on. Hopefully I pinned the recipe. Ugh. Knowing me, I probably didn't. So that's awesome. Let's search it. French dip. Yay, it's here. So we got that in there. Now let's make our list. All right. We also need to go to the BX to get what? Oh yeah, we need to try and look for different camera tripods. Okay, what color should we use today? How about green? How about we use green today on our grocery list? Okay, let's see. Going in order is going to be ranch. And then hey, this child, I swear. Okay, and then next Sissy Lou is going to be, oh my gosh, child. Oogie rolls. And then all the cheeses. Sis, come on now. Oh, how much crumbled blue cheese? A half a cup. So ounces. Cheese. And then we're gonna need a 4 to 5 pound chuck roast and perfect. Okie dokie. And then obviously random stuff that we found, because it's bound to happen. All right, got our list done. Gotta go put it in our purse. I'm gonna get this baby cleaned up, and let's see, what time is it? 9:03. Get her cleaned up. Probably get ready to go and then go to base. I have something exciting to show you guys. Huh, Sissy? Do we have something exciting to show our friends? Missy with fruit all over your face? What do you have to say for yourself? Do you have anything to say? I gotta do your hair. Do I have Minnie Mouse ears? Bro, what are you doing? Take her out in just a second, bro. Okay, there you go. There you go, Minnie Mouse. You look so cute. So cute. Ready to go? Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. We're in the car now. I'm like totally sweaty because I had to run inside and get the right debit card to go. So I like ran inside real quick. Then my socks were falling off my feet, so I had to take those off. Should have known. But anyways, if you saw my last vlog, do you notice anything different? Yeah, we got a new car. It's a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yes, we have now leveled up in the adulting department and now have, ignore that, and now have a family car. What do you think about that, Sissy? Can't really see her. The mirror doesn't really sit very well, but all right, before it gets any later, we are gonna head off to base now. Hi, Sissy. We at the store now? I don't see any good clearance. Let's go look at the baby stuff. Baby stuff. Oh, that's cute. It's a cute little outfit. Oh. Yeah, it's Mommy's watch on. Aww. What are you doing? Go, go. Really? Kind of tempted to get this, but it's not on clearance. How about, let's look at clearance stuff. Really? It's very springy stuff, huh? Oh, we want to look at socks.
Henry, you need a customer service, please. Henry, you need a
Alright, let's see here. Looking for some socks for the baby. Do you want... Oh, that one doesn't have Olaf. This one has Olaf. Do you want Olaf? Want some new sockies? Alright. Or there's Carter socks.
MOD to register 3 for assistance, please. MOD to register 3.
$6 for 6 socks instead of 10. Oh my gosh, Melly, come here. Pretty sure I saw. Oh, they're broken. Look, they have Minnie Mouse ears, but totally broken. Alright, come on. Those Frozen socks? Those for you? Uh-oh, don't drop them. Don't drop them. You gotta hold them, okay? You're in charge. Oh my goodness. If I had a little one, well, obviously Melanie, but another little one, look at how cute that is. Oh my word. That is precious. Oh, it's so cute. Why can't you be little again? Huh? You laughing at me? That's nice. You laughing at Mom? Let's see. I kind of want to get you another Munchkin one. No? You don't want another one? I kind of want to get you this one. So you have a pink and blue one like that, but I guess you don't need it, huh? What? These are totally new. I wish we had those when she was switching. Huh. Rest of the baby stuff. This is what we got to work with at our BX. Hi, Sissy. Hey, don't open it. Don't open. Okay? Oh gosh. We're crashing. We're crashing. Don't eat it either. Why? Where'd it go? Okay. You don't get to hold it anymore. Mama. Ooh. These are cute. I like those. $40. Oh, but look at these. Look at these. Those are cute. And then white and blue ones. What do you think? I like the gold ones. What do you think? Let's see if there's anything. Nothing new down there. Let's see here. Now this is something I wanted to look at. Stabilizer, they have a tripod kit, content creator studio, selfie stick. Here's the clearance toys. Oh, There's big Anna's and Elsa's. Are those seriously $5? I don't think these are $5. We'll grab it. Hold on. We'll scan it and see. Okay, we just got back to the car and little miss lucked out with an Anna and Elsa. Good job. Good helper. Hold on, I'll be right back, okay? Hi, that's very good, thank you. You are a good helper. Move. Yeah, it's hot in this area. Oh my gosh. All right, it is like, I don't know, close to 7 o'clock, I think. And listen, it's been a long day. Melly would not leave me alone. She would not stop touching me. Just wanted to climb all over me, be up in my face all the time, kind of like this dog. Like I'm just, go away, go. I'm over it. And I was gonna fix my paintings I did last vlog, but this toy chest has been on my mind for, I don't know, 3-4 weeks, something like that. So I think it's time we finally get down to business. So I think I'm gonna take it apart, sand it, and then go from there. And I think I made this a little too strong. Oops. Oh well. Bear's just staring at me. What do you want? Why? Why? Why are you and the baby always up in my business? I'm over it. You're cute, but you smell so bad. Oh, Daddy needs to give you a bath. Okay, no, I don't want you to climb up on me. Go away. Okay, so my camera died. It said I had 13% left, but I guess it lied. But I wanted to show you. This is the paint I got in this color. And I'm about to just try the inside bottom piece because the rest are kind of drying because I sanded them a bit and then I wiped them down with a wet cloth. But yeah, so those are drying, but I want to try this on the inside. And I didn't sand this one, so I guess, well, it's not as smooth as what the other pieces were. I had them all drying right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour this and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I put it on the bottom piece. Okay, friends, so this is what it looks like after one coat. I'm using a roller brush. I don't really know. This is my first time painting, but as you can see, there's obviously pink spots through it. So I'm gonna have to do probably at least 2 layers. Bear.